Good day, everyone. I'm Najib Zaidano, as most of you know because you like watching the channel or you like saw my status or something. But what I want to say is that I'll be dropping a mini, okay, not a mini, but a long-term series called no, documenting my journey. So what does this mean? It means like I'm documenting my journey, where I am now in life, where I wanna be, what I will be doing to get there, steps I will be taking, everything, all of it, detailed process of how I get there. And it's also like a thing to make people hold me accountable for what I want to do, because there's a lot of things that I say I want to do but I end up don't doing it, as most, okay, I'm sure most of us do it, but still that's what I want to do because I feel like it's the next step in my life. And also everything that I discuss on the documenting my journey thing will be in my book as well, because I feel like I need to write the book, just to like something like it. But as I was saying, it's me and what my story will be about. So like I'll drop like I'll just drop it like maybe starting like second week in April. I don't know. Yeah, giving the introduction of me, who I am, what I'm doing, what I've been doing, what I've done so far in my life, how I got there, everything to also be in the book. And that's not promo even. That's not promo, but it's just like I feel like that's the next step in my journey. And obviously, we can't forget the Lord in all of this. None of it. None of it. So whatever I say, I'll always reference the Lord once again and always will. So that's just me, guys, and the announcement that I don't know what I was doing, but